Alright guys, we've got us a quick little project this afternoon. Got the old Farmall A sitting here, and as you can see, there's not really a good way to get up on this thing. I mean, you can grab onto the steering wheel, slap your foot up there, and hope for the best. My butt does not do that, so I've been using this little step stool, and I'd have to kick it out of the way or something when I get around and move it on. So I bought something fun today. A step to put in here and make getting on and off this tractor much easier. Hopefully that'll motivate me to move it around a little bit more and get to work. So let me grab the step and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the step that we're going to be installing. It will go right over here, bolt on right there, and as you can see, it will kind of hang out here in front of the tire, make it a little bit easier to get on. Don't have to step up quite as high. Found a guy on eBay that makes this step. Give you a little bit better shot of it here. So I've got a couple of extra bolts from old implements that went on the back of this tractor. We'll put it on the front here. As you can see, that top one is kind of the casting cracked, so hopefully that's not going to be a problem. If it is, then I'll have to reinforce this with the bigger plate or something. So I'm gonna go grab the bolts and let's put this thing on. Okay, let's give this thing a little test. See if it'll hold me. Well, it feels good with the step stool. Let's see if we can get up here a little easier than we used to. Oh yeah, it ain't bad at all. Let's see how getting down is. It's perfect. Here's a close-up. Everything looks pretty good. Took all of 5 minutes to install too. Not too bad. Alright guys, well there you have it. It's a quick, easy 5-minute project for the weekend. It's pretty hot out here, so I think that's all I'm going to do today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope that some of you can get a use out of this same step that I do. I know it's a lot easier to get on and off that tractor now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.